From Mtech and Master Cutlery. This is item number M-1002TS. It is a folding knife, open pillar construction, 5 inches in overall length closed. It is a manual action knife, opens via an index flipper or a thumb disc. It opens quickly and decisively. It is a liner lock locking mechanism. The blade length is 3 1/2 inches. This knife is officially licensed by the U.S. Marine Corps. You can see it is a Tanto tip, extreme piercing ability on that tip. It is 440C stainless steel. The serrations of a combo edge. See, it has a fin here as well. The liner is easy to disengage. You can also open it using a thumb disc. Locks up very securely. And overall, this is an excellent folding knife for all your tactical or utility uses from Mtech and Master Cutlery.